In order to force quit applications on a Mac, there are a number of ways to do it, but I'm going to show you the two easiest. So if one of your apps is frozen, or you see that annoying little rainbow wheel of death where it's letting you know that it's loading but nothing's happening, the best way to bring up this box here that says force quit applications is on your keyboard, hold down the Option and Command and then the Escape key, and then it will bring up the force quit applications box here. An easier way of doing this is taking your mouse, going to the menu bar in the upper left-hand corner, clicking on the Apple logo, and then going to Force Quit, just like so. And then you'll see the list of apps that you have actively open. Find the one that's frozen or the one you want to close out. Let's say this app here, and then select it, highlight it, and then click Force Quit. It says, do you want to force quit the app? Go ahead and click it once more, and you are good to go. If, however, none of this works and you cannot get the force quit application box to come up, just know that if you do this, anything that you are working on might not get saved properly. But if you're running into an issue where you have to do this, if you're on a MacBook Pro, go ahead and just hold down the power button for about 10 seconds. It will then force reset or restart the computer. And then if you're on a desktop Mac like a Mac Studio or a Mac Pro, you would just find the power button and do the same thing. Hold it down. It'll force reset and restart the machine, and it'll boot up like normal. I'll have some frequently asked questions in the pinned comment down below. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.